That we are in global crisis. We are not in crisis. We are actually doing very well. The G7 and other countries are in crisis. So let us not confuse and say that we are in global crisis, because the Europe and the US has an uncanny knack of converting their crisis to global crisis. Second war was between Britain and Germany, but they included India also into that. So large number of Indians went and died. The British commander told, we will fight to the last Indian, the Germans. He mentioned that openly, that to the last Indian we will fight. So they will include that in the globe whenever there is a crisis or problem, but we don't have to be part of the. So this is not a global crisis, this is an Anglo-Saxon crisis. So we are in a very comfortable situation. Our domestic saving is relatively very large, and our household saving is significant, which sustains actually. It's not the FDI and FDI which sustains our investment. And we are basically family and community oriented. Let us continue to be like that. And all funds have to come to India. There is no doubt about it, and we don't have to worry about it. So, in the greater context, we are in a much better situation, and actually the decades coming ahead is our decade, the decade of the Bharat. Let's be very clear about it. So, colleges like ours have a large role to play in terms of training youngsters to meet the challenges. So, we are not on a left side of the growth curve, we are slowly getting into the higher portion of the growth curve. So, our education, our research, and when the principal told that Dharwad IIT and our college have got a collaboration, MOU signed, and with LIT we are planning to sign one MOU. Very, very interesting development. With Ultratech we are planning to sign an MOU, or we have signed one for the development in the civil engineering side. So, huge challenges are again, and we should prepare our younger students to meet those challenges. And the alumni should come forward in order to fund it, to give it in the form of research grant, or give it in the form of inputs. Many of the alumni could be entrepreneurs. So that is what is our responsibility is much larger, because we are no more an emerging economy, we are a re-emerging economy. Thank you very much.
ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಆರ್ ವೈದ್ಯನಾಥನ್ರವರ ನುಡಿಗಾಗಿ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ಅರ್ಪಿಸುತ್ತಾ, ನಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗೆ ಇಂದು ನಮ್ಮ JNN ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ನಿವೃತ್ತ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರಾದಂಥ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸರಾವ್ ಕುಂಟೆಯವರವರು, ನಿವೃತ್ತ ಉಪಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರಾದಂಥ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ LK ಶ್ರೀಪತಿಯವರು, ನಿವೃತ್ತ ಮುಖ್ಯಸ್ಥರು ಟ್ರಿಬಲ್ ವಿಭಾಗ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ BK ಕೇಶವನ್ರವರು, ಹಾಗೂ ಪ್ರಕಾಶ್ ಒಡೆಯರ್ ಅವರು, ನಿವೃತ್ತ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಆದಂತಹ ಶ್ರೀಯುತ GC ಗೋಪಾಲಕೃಷ್ಣರವರು, ನಿವೃತ್ತ ಮುಖ್ಯಸ್ಥರಾದಂಥ EC ವಿಭಾಗದ HK ಹರೀಶ್ ರವರು, ಹಾಗೂ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಪದ್ಮನಾಭರವರು ನಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಕಲ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ವಿಭಾಗದ ಫೋರ್ಮನ್ ಆದಂಥ ಪ್ರದೀಪ್ ಸ್ಟೀವನ್ಸನ್ ರವರು ನಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ನಮನಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸೋಣ. ಇದೀಗ